Back button focusing. What is it and why you should try it out? Back button focusing is a method of refocusing your camera without actuating the shutter and by assigning it to a customized button. So instead of using the shutter button, you would essentially be reassigning that to a customized button. And in this case, the back button. There are multiple benefits to back button autofocus that make it worth trying out, whether you're a wildlife photographer, sports photographer, landscape, or even portrait photographer. It allows you to only activate autofocus when you choose to by hitting the back button instead of having to when you click the shutter button. So a perfect in-field example is when you're trying to photograph a subject and you have some kind of foreground elements that you don't want the camera to refocus on. Well, if you use back button autofocus, you won't be refocusing the camera, and so you won't have to worry about it refocusing on your foreground. Another example is if you're photographing wildlife and some kind of obstruction comes into frame, then your camera won't refocus on that object. But what do you think about back button focusing? Let us know in the comments below.